Good morning. Today we're using the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker to steam some pork ribs, short pork ribs. We're going to try for half an hour, check them out, put on again if necessary, and then we're going to do a sauce, probably hoisin or something similar, and we're going to put them into the other Ninja, the grill one.
Right, we have here this time, it's the Ninja Foodi PossibleCooker. It has quite a lot of modes. We've had it now for about 2 months, and basically Mad's been using it all the time for everything. Echo, stop. There, Echo just came in and started playing music there. Not very good of her. Echo's just a wall Alexa. Well, Alexa answers. Oh, I'll do my head in.
She's actually Echo.
So, basically what you get with it is a lovely big pot that can come out and you can just serve from it or whatever. You have a
steam rack,
a lid, and a lovely spoon that sits on top.
Plastic, don't use metal inside the pot, it will scratch the non-stick surface.
Yeah, we've had it a couple of months now and Mad's been using it quite a lot. It's
my go-to.
It's perfect for doing things like curries.
Yeah, chickens, any stew type things, pastas. Gordon will take you through the functions.
What we have, slow cook.
I love it as a slow cooker.
Sear sauté, so you can sauté the stuff and leave it in there and then put your other stuff in slow cook.
Great for curries.
Steam.
Love that for vegetables and fish.
Braise.
That's like stewing. I just let that cook away for meats that take longer.
And then you have simmer.
Simmer, very handy for anything really.
Bake.
Bake. We haven't used the bake much. I did try a chicken in a bake, but I wasn't very impressed. It needs to go into more of an air fryer rather than.
We done it on bake. And then transfer it, because it didn't brown or crisp the skin, we transferred it to the air fryer for 10 minutes. You also have approve if you want to do bread.
I don't bake myself, but if you make bread, yeah.
And a keep warm. And
most functions automatically go to the keep warm at the end of the cooking time.
We thought the same as all the Ninjas, they're quite a wee weight on them. And they're very robustly built. And you have the same sort of controls. You've got temperature, so for slow cook you've got high or low, and you've got the time. Sear sauté, you've got high again, high or low, and time. Steam, you just have a time for steam.
Yeah.
You don't have any. Braise and much the same.
Echo, stop.
Echo's having a life of her own there. Simmer, speaks for itself. Bake.
No.
Temperatures up to 230 C, and time whatever you want to set it to.
Just below the rack. Yeah, another one of them at least.
Okay, we've put in just over 500 millilitres of water. I'll just put some flavoring on the
Some seasoning, salt and pepper.
At this stage, and we'll do the rest afterwards. And because it's steaming, we're going to put some on top of the others, and we'll set it for
30 minutes.
30 minutes.
And come back and check.
Put the lid on. Just wash my hands. So, we set to steam,
Yeah,
30 minutes, and press start. And it'll preheat. And then it'll ask you to poof in. So we'll bring you back in 30 minutes and we'll see how they've steamed.
2 minutes to go from the 30 minutes that it was in for. And we're going to see how tender they are before we remove them. They're getting there, but I think they need at least another 20 minutes, 30 minutes maybe at this stage.
Turn them around.
Yeah.
Now they've shrunk a bit. Yeah. Put it back on. Set it up again, steam. "20 minutes. There we go. We'll see in 20 minutes time.
We cooked these, steamed them for about 40 minutes, and the knife is going right through now, so we'll go ahead and move it on to the next stage. We'll catch you later.
Take it over to the other side. What we're going to do now is give it a coating and then put it in the air fryer grill. We've made up a barbecue sauce with Chinese 5 spice, sesame oil, Hoisin sauce and salted dark soy sauce. We've already mixed it up there, and we will give it a brushing, once we get these out. We'll brush both sides until, there we go. Yeah. And we'll put them on halfway through cooking, and then we'll turn them over and put them on halfway cooking again. We have the milk oven on warming up in a minute. Put them on there. Maybe 31. 31's max, the other 3 are mine.
That's for sure you can go.
And the other Nigel will be put on in a minute, and we'll do some chips with it.
You mean Ninja?
Yeah, Ninja, the other Nigel,
They're all
lots of Nigels.
Nigels.
I never remember their names. One's Nancy, one's Nigel, one's Nigella. Which is which? So they're all Nigels now. There we go. Put that handy there. It's quite cold this at a minute, so we shall. We're going on to roast. We put it in level 3 in this one. There we go. And set it to air fry 10 minutes, and we'll check it and turn it at 180. Put the light on, see what we're doing. Oh, yum yum. And we're back to this Ninja. We've got some curly chips in both sides. Put it on. We go to match, so both go at the same time. Air fry, 200's fine, and turn the time down to 10 minutes. And there we go. And everyone should synchronise.
dinner's on.
If you put a comment in if you want to see how this one works. It's a twin
Julia fryer.
Julia fry, and you synchronise the start and finish so they all work, or you get two going, one each going separate. You know, we can do that as well.
Yeah, it's very versatile as well. There's functions on the sides.
We'll do another video on it in the next week or so. Okay, same time. Okay, that's 10 minutes up. What I'm going to do is just turn them over and get the tongs. Looking good.
I'm going to put some more marinade.
Yes. Of course I am. I've got
Yeah, no.
more.
In my cooker. Pin in the cooker.
Oh no! So I am. Let me better take that off before I get a hard thing over
We'll
it.
be paint in the cooker.
And the worktop, look, what a mess you get.
Going to ramp this up to 200 for this next 10 minutes.
Yep.
The light goes off while the oven's on, but there is a light function you can just switch. Push on to see what's happening in there. And off again. Okay.
Well, they look good. Which one would you like now? Huh? That one?
I don't know why I was holding that up in there.
I'll have to put this down a little bit. Look at that lot.
Dirty oven.
Put that off. Fix.
Curly fries. Looks like finger food. Oh, you haven't got many fries. Why have I got more?
What? You want more?
No.
Oh.
Dinner is served. Thank you. Bye.